Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Modern Warfare 2 Warzone. Purchase Modern Warfare 2 to have access of everything. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed. First of all, the basic step is to make sure you run the launcher as an administrator. Whether you have Steam or Battle.net, you need to right click and choose the option Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab and check mark the icon Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply and OK button. Do the same process with Warzone setup file also. So open up your Battle.net or Steam, then click on the settings menu and you need to click on the option Show in Explorer. This will open up the launcher in front of you. Right click and go to the properties of the launcher. Hit Compatibility tab and again tick mark the icon Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply and OK button. Now close it, restart your client and try to play the game again and check if you are still getting the error of Purchase Modern War 2 to have access of everything. Now if this doesn't fix, let's proceed with the next step. In your game client, you need to click on the settings menu and choose the option Scan and Repair to make sure your game is completely free from any kind of missing files and have the latest version of the Warzone 2, because it has some bugs which is giving you the error of Purchase Modern Warfare 2 to have access of everything. So click on the option Scan and Repair and then try to play the game again. If this one also failed, then click on again Settings menu and choose the option Game Settings. In Game Settings, under the language, click on it and choose the language over here, Arabic. When you scroll down, and you will find the language of Arabic over here. Choose it. As it is saying, to change the language, we need to download a new data. Simply hit the OK button and this will temporarily fix out the issue, because a lot of users over the internet have already claimed that simply changing the language will fix out this issue, because this is a bug directly from the manufacturer of the Warzone game. So temporarily you can fix by changing the language over from here. Once you have changed the language, hit done and then restart your client and this will fix out the issue temporarily. Now if after changing the language also doesn't fix out, next there is a simple tip. Simply go ahead to your game and remove any mission that you are on while playing the game Warzone. Removing the mission also fix out the issue, as many Redditors and the internet users have already claimed by simply removing the mission has fixed out the issue of Purchase Modern Warfare 2 to have access of everything. As of now, these are the only fixes available to fix out the issue with Warzone 2. However, the manufacturer of the game is already working on to fix out this bug also, so make sure you keep on updating your game to the latest version if it is available by clicking on this settings menu and click on the option check for updates. If any update is available, make sure you update your game to fix out the issue with Warzone 2, Purchase Modern Warfare 2 to have access of everything. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.